The best time to eat an apple is in the morning, right after you wake up or before breakfast, because apples help to kickstart your metabolism and give you natural energy for the day. Avoid at night. It's better not to eat apples at night, as they contain fiber and natural acids that may disturb your digestion while you sleep. Benefits of eating apples: boosts immunity. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system. 2. Improves digestion. High fiber content keeps your digestive system clean and active. 3. Supports heart health. Regular apple intake helps lower bad cholesterol. 4. Good for skin. Antioxidants in apples make your skin glow and slow down aging. 5. Weight management. Apples make you feel full, preventing overeating.